Sneekylinux back again today. Right, another little talky one. Just relaxing after a bad thing with my gear. Sorry. Or my gear. Oh, back home. Anyway, apart from that, now, many moons ago, when I first started doing this on YouTube, I used to do videos on a different channel before, and I thought I might as well join YouTube. That's about 5 years ago, okay? So I've been doing it in total 6 years this year, okay? But anyway, yes, many moons ago, I first started doing Puppy Linux. I do like Puppy Linux. I mean, it's just easy to use, fast, simple. Anybody can use it. Doesn't really matter how old the machine is. You'll still have a version that will run it. Even if it's like 15 years old, there'll be a version that will run. And there'll be a version that will run it if it's nice and new. Now, my first video, my very first video on the tube was this one. Installing Skype on Puppy Linux, okay? Back in the day, back in 2008, that was my first YouTube video. Before that, it was something else, okay? What was it called now? Used to use them anyway. Anyway, yes, that's my very first video. I've done quite a few on Puppy, and I've always done a lot of pups, okay? Always, yes. And then, as it went along, Puppy 528 came along, Lucid. Yeah, Lucid was fantastic, Puppy Linux. It was super duper. Done what it said on the bleeding tin. If I go over to here, look. The page is still there. You can still download it, although the last version was over a year ago now. Just close this one down. It's over a year ago. And then it was superseded by Puppy Slacko, which in my opinion was not a good idea. Okay? It just doesn't work as good. But there also is another pup in the series, should we say, which is Puppy Wary, okay? Or Wary Racy. Wary's for older machines, and Wary Racy is for newer machines. Okay? Well, not too new, of course. So I'll show you some screenshots for over here. Anyway, this is Puppy Wary. I've done videos on that as well, as you know. It's nice for older machines. It does what it says on the tin. There's plenty of software for it, okay? That comes in the software centre. Right, then we come to Slacko. Right? When it took over, everybody said it was going to be the bees and knees. It was going to think. Well, unfortunately, it don't. It don't do what it says on the tin. Even the most current one. It just doesn't cut it. No, it doesn't cut it. Unlike Puppy 528, which everybody loved and was so popular. I was so, amazed when they said they wasn't going to do it anymore. I mean, it should have gone on and on. It could have really gone up in top there. But unfortunately, the devs didn't want to do it that way. No, they wanted to go back to Slackware base, and they did with Slacko. Now, unfortunately, that has disillusioned quite a lot of users. Very much. Okay, Slacko's fine to use, but there's lots of stuff that don't work properly, or there's lots of stuff that you can't get, okay? That should be in the Puppy package manager, basically, and it's not there, okay? Unfortunately, we'll go back to that. It's not there, unfortunately. Whereas with this one, 528 Lucid, everything was there, and it was super of the duper. Alright, Wary and Racy, there was some offshoots of it. Carolina was one of them, and there was another one, yeah, anyway. But they've been stopped in development now, so you just got the basic Wary and Wary Racy now, at the moment. So I want to know is, with the new Puppy Linux, which is Puppy Precise, yes, Puppy Precise, I'll just go back to here, which is based on Precise, which is Ubuntu repos again, okay, I'll come out of that now. With Ubuntu repos again, what's going to be the main puppy? Are they going to stick with Slacko and just say, well, sod it, you get what you're given, or go with what people want? Okay, yes. Now, this has always been my opinion, and people say to me, oh, Slacko works all right, Slacko. I'm sorry, it doesn't. It's not as fast, it takes ages to load, but the new Precise that I tried the other day on a full install, we recorded my desktop, installing, recording, done everything, no lagging, no nothing wrong with it, super duper. Booted in, I could say around about 10-15 seconds. Slacko, on the other hand, doesn't do that. So, puppy people, sort it out, please, so we can get all the people back and saying, yeah, it's fantastic. Or you're going to stay as you are. I don't know. Let me know. Sneaky of the Linux. Going out. Laters.